What's up you guys, it's Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a huge thumbs up. I make videos about college, lifestyle, and I also make vlogs, so if any of that interests you, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Today's video is going to be a what is on my iPhone video. These videos are super popular, and me personally, I am so nosy and I always wonder what is on people's iPhones, so I thought this video would be a great video to film. So in case you're wondering, I have the iPhone XR in red, and then this phone case is from Target. It will be linked down below for you guys, so if you like it, you can go ahead and purchase it. And then also I have this little phone wallet thing that holds my ACT card, my driver's license, and my debit card. So that is just what this looks like. So let's go ahead and get started with what is on my iPhone. I'm gonna move over to the side so then I'll put it right next to me. Alright, so I cannot screen record when my phone is locked, so I'm just gonna post the lock screen I have right here for you guys. It is just a picture of my friend Josie and I on prom. It is one of my favorite pictures of us together, so that's been my home screen for a very long time. I'm about to change it because I'm about to make a new one, but for the meantime, that is what my lock screen is. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with what is on my iPhone. So the back screen is just a picture of like a leaf or something like that. It's definitely from Google. I did not make that. So this is my lock screen. It is pretty simple, very like minimalist, I guess. Not really, but yeah. So first I have my calendar. I have my photos. So this is just what they look like. There's really nothing too special in there. And then next I have my clock. I have like so many alarms, it's actually ridiculous. I need to go out here and clean them out because I have no clue why I have this many. Then I have the weather app. I'm not going to open it because then I'll show my location, my camera, and then my wallet. I use Apple Pay a lot, it's really convenient. Also my ACT card is downloaded on there, so I just literally use my phone to like get into my room, and I also use it in the dining hall. Then I have the App Store, FaceTime, Notes. I'm not gonna go in there because just personal like stuff in there. Settings, maps, and then I have lifestyle. I don't know why this is called lifestyle, but this is just my really like pointless apps. Stocks, you know the drill. I actually use Measure a lot, it's really convenient. Voice memos, Verizon, podcast reminders. And I have my calculator, my watch app, I have an Apple Watch, and then my mail, which clearly I do not check my mail that much. And then I have at the bottom just dock that just stays there. I have my phone, Safari, Apple Music, which I have Apple Music, and it's really nice. I definitely recommend. And then my messages. Yeah, there's nothing really special about my messages. And then next I have this second page, and that's the only pages that I have. As you can see, I love folders. They're very convenient. I don't like to have my phone very cluttered. So first I have games. I really just need to get rid of most of these because I honestly don't really play games on my phone that often, but I'll just list out my favorites. I love Crossy Road, 2048, and then characters and 1010. Then I have my social media. So first I have my Twitter. Y'all should definitely go ahead and follow me on Twitter. It's Katelyn _YT. Honestly, I follow so many people and just look at Twitter, but I don't really like tweet that often. So yeah. Then I have YouTube, obviously, and then my Snapchat. Y'all can go add me on that. I'm super active on there, so yeah. Then I have my Facebook. I'm not gonna give that out because that is private. My Pinterest, obvious reasons. And then y'all should go follow me on Pinterest. I love Pinterest. I think it's just Katelyn Johnston. Then I have my Instagram. Definitely go follow me on Instagram. I like my feed. It's decently okay. Then I have Messenger because you have to have 2 apps, and then followers. It just tells me who unfollows me and stuff like that. So yeah. And then TikTok, I can spend hours on TikTok. It's a problem. Last night I was up very late just watching TikToks. And then Symbol Pad, that's how I get the little stars, is Symbol Pad. and I have Bitmoji and then Visco. Then next is my school folder. I use Gmail a lot more. I have like 3 different Gmails on there. Then I have Docs, Notability. I have an iPad Pro that I'm going to be using during the school year, so that's just why it can connect to both my Google Drive, Google Slides, the Alabama app, the Bama Bound app, and then Duo Mobile is for logging into my Bama. Writer, you can just see all of the different bus routes and stuff like that. Google Calendar. E-accounts is something that you can, that's what you load your Bama Cash onto. And then Pocket Points is if you don't use your phone for a certain amount of time in class, you get like rewards and you can get money off at like restaurants and stuff like that. Next is entertainment. I have just Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, Roku, because on all the TVs in my house we have Roku, Amazon, Alexa, Genie, and then Google Duo because my friends have Samsungs. Next is the money bags folder. So I have Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, and then Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo is my bank. Then music, I have SoundCloud and Spotify. Don't really use SoundCloud that often, but I do use Spotify sometimes, but I really like Apple Music. And then next I have Good Eats. I swear this is my largest folder, but you know, gotta get those coupons and stuff. So I have my Chick-fil-A app. It is my fave app. Just kidding, not really. But I have so many points. I'm at red status. Then I have Starbucks. I have like so much money in Starbucks gift cards, so that's the only reason I have it. Then I have my Moe's app. I'm not gonna open it because I think y'all can like get the code and then use the money. And I'm up to $21 of free Moe's, so catch me at Moe's in Tuscaloosa. Then I have Grubhub, DoorDash, Bite Squad, Uber Eats, Tap and Go. Tell me why I have like 5 different delivery services. 6 actually, because I have Crimson to Go as well. Then I have Yelp, Crimson to Go, McDonald's. Totally recommend downloading this app. I just did it recently, and every day they have like different coupons, and it's really convenient and nice. Definitely recommend that. And then Insomnia Cookies, popular cookie place. Then next in my travel folder I have Waze. I love Waze. It just tells me when cops are around. Google Maps and flights. Flights just gives you, it's actually Student Universe, gives you cheap flights anywhere, so just for being a student, and hotels and stuff like that. So definitely recommend that if you're a student. Next I have photo and video. I don't know why I just call this, I don't know. So first I have PicArt. Love PicArt. I also have Lightroom, and Lightroom is how I edit all of my photos. If you want a separate video on that, I can definitely do that. Fonto, I really love Fonto. And then Facetune, I have that because in my thumbnails I use the whitening tool to whiten the background. I just like the whiter background. And then Over is what I'm going to use to make my lock screen. Next I have my shopping folder. I have Michaels. You should never go into Michaels and not have at least 40% off coupon or 50% off coupon, because their app, literally every time you go on it, there is a new coupon on there. So I definitely recommend that. See, 40% off any regular price item. There's no excuse to not at least get 40% off. Then Amazon, SeatGeek, and StubHub. So those are pretty self-explanatory. Then next I have my Books app or folder. I have Libby and Overdrive. These are connected to my library card at home, and I get free audiobooks. And any place, any public library goes to these. So if you love audiobooks and you don't want to pay for Audible or anything like that, you can get them for free with these 2 apps. Definitely recommend them for long car rides or anything like that. Then I have my random. This is literally like just places, like apps that I don't have a specific place for them, but I love the look of having like folders. So first I have Hot Schedules Team. This is where my schedule is posted for my job at Chick-fil-A, but I'm currently not working because I'm going to school. But I'll be back in December. And then I have Countdown. There's just random countdowns that I have. Life 360. My friends and I track each other because we want to be safe. And then Urban Dictionary. Lots of people I text use lingo that I don't know, so I just type it in, and then I end up finding out what they mean, and yeah. And then lastly I have Group Me, which I have various Group Me's. I'm in a lot, but yeah, so that is essentially what is on my iPhone. There's really not too much, so yeah. Alright, so that is actually everything on my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. I am moving, actually I'm leaving on Thursday, but I'm moving in on Friday and I'm doing a move-in vlog. So definitely watch out for that. I am super excited to be moving in and just starting my new life at Bama. Definitely, if you want to keep up with me and everything like that, definitely go ahead and follow me on all of my social medias as well. They'll be linked on the screen right now for you guys. And yeah, with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in my next one, probably a moving vlog. Bye guys.